Welcome to QuadSquad. I'm going to show you how to make this adorable puppy. So you need glue and a pipe cleaner and some buttons and cut out ears and a bead and a meter bead and Googly Eyes. So it's really easy to make, but I asked my brother Justin to help me. Let's get started to it. First, cut your pipe cleaner in half. Then, take one of those pieces and cut them in half again. Take your small bead and then put it on the long pipe cleaner and fold it in half to make the nose. Then, put the folded pipe cleaner through the man-sized bead. This is the head of the puppy. Add one bead to the puppy. Wrap one of the small pipe cleaners around your puppy to make the front leg. You can fold your ends up to give your puppy paws. Add 4 more buttons. Twist the pipe cleaner to make the other leg. Add 1 more button to the end. And then twist the pieces together to make the tail. Glue the googly eyes on. If you want to cut out the ears, you need scissors and cut them out and glue them on. And use a permanent marker to make a mouth. Look at the cute puppy. Isn't it cute? Thanks, Justin, for making it.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
I enjoyed making it.
Run together. If you make the puppies, you have to leave me a comment. And thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to QuadSquad channel.